किसी के मुंह नहीं देख सकती हूँ बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज ब्लॉक्ड देयर वीडियो. I would like to see them once in a while. मुंह खुला, मुंह खुला. वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ कोई किसी को डीपली ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए इकट्ठे नहीं हुए हैं. किसी को किसी की ओर देखने का भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. वी आर ऑल इन अवर ओन वर्ल्ड. और इफ कोई करता है, और इन केस इफ आई कम क्लोज by, I can see if anything being done wrong. Otherwise, मैं किसी को करेक्ट नहीं कर सकती हूँ because this is not like a class where I can see individuals. बस अभी ऊपर से नीचे तक टैपिंग, पूरा शरीर टैपिंग. बाल बिगड़ जाए कुछ चिंता नहीं करने की. हाँ, टैपिंग forehead, tapping your cheeks, tapping your ears, tapping bridge of the nose, bridge of the nose. और आंखों के सॉफ्ट पार्ट वेरी जेंटल. चश्मे पहनते हो तो चश्मे बाजू में रख के जेंटली जेंटली जेंटली. हाँ, मुंह खुला, मुंह खुला. फिर चिक्स अपने गाल के ऊपर. फिर यहाँ जॉइंट्स जो है, चबाने का जॉइंट, टेम्पोरोमेंडिबुलर जॉइंट, वहां पर टैपिंग. फिर अबोव योर अपर लिप, नोज, चिन, underneath your chin. Nobody wants like buffalo or bullock, like hanging skin. So tapping under the chin. This is like a facial, and if you smile it is more facial. Okay, so no sagging. Healthy thyroid, gently, healthy thyroid, healthy parathyroid, lymphatic system healthy, immune system healthy. फिर शोल्डर, राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट शोल्डर, और बाउंसिंग योर नीज. इफ योर नीज आर ओके, बाउंस. फिर अपने ये पार्ट, आगे के पार्ट से नीचे जाने का है. तो टैप यू कैन, जितना हार्ड हो सके उतना आप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप अपने को ही टैपिंग करते हैं, दूसरे को नहीं. सो एंड यहाँ पर टैप 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 टैप. फिर ऊपर ये वाली यिन एंड यांग मेरिडियन. तो अभी ऊपर 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 ऊपर. फिर थम्स अप, तो हम की ओर जाने का है, और बाउंसिंग योर नीज. फिर लिटिल फिंगर, बेबी फिंगर, टैप 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 टैप. अम्पिक 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 अम्पिक. और ये ओपन क्लोज. फिर चेस्ट. फिर दूसरा शोल्डर, दूसरा शोल्डर, going down the arm. Clap, 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 clap. Going up the arm, up the arm, up the arm. Going down to thumb. ये एक्सरसाइज ऐसी सिंपल लगती है. पैरालाइज पेशेंट्स, व्हीलचेयर पेशेंट्स कम आउट ऑफ देयर व्हीलचेयर. टैपिंग, पूरा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इंप्रूव हो जाता है. आर्मपिट, और फिर दोनों हाथों से अपर चेस्ट. मुंह खुला, Middle of the chest. Middle of the chest you can do with tips of the finger or with small fist. आप सोते हैं उस समय भी ये कर सकते हैं. ये आपका जो ब्रेस्ट बोन, चेस्ट बोन, उसके ऊपर हम बहुत सैडनेस, वरी, सॉरोज यहाँ पर इकट्ठा करते हैं. तो और यहाँ करते समय किसी को यहाँ से एकदम ठंडा पवन जैसा एनर्जी फ्लो होने को फिर महसूस होता है. दैट इज योर कोल्ड एनर्जी. नेगेटिव एनर्जी इज लिविंग योर बॉडी. एंड एवरी डे आवर एनर्जी changes. Someday you may feel very hot, but most of the time you feel cold in this area. फिर ये अपने सोलर प्लेक्सस उसके ऊपर थोड़ा टैपिंग. सोलर प्लेक्सस टैपिंग. ये बहुत लोगों को इसमें बहुत पेन होता है. This is right underneath your where the ribs meet and below the your chest bone. So solar plexus. Mukula. Even if it is tender, take care of it. मुष्टि बना के ये साइड से फिर belly button. These are just warm up, just simple warm ups. पूरा body. मुकुला. और नीज बाउंसिंग. और अपनी नेक अच्छी है तो घुमा सकते हैं साइडवेज. फिर बेली बटन के नीचे 2 इंच स्वादिष्ठान चक्र. स्वादिष्ठान चक्र. तो स्वादिष्ठान चक्र बाउंसिंग बाउंसिंग बाउंसिंग. You can make sound. Check your position. Your feet should not be like this. Shoulders relaxed. If you lost your smile, तो pick up करिए. मुंह खुला. फिर hips, 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 hips. Front, side, back. Front, side, back. Front, side, back. फिर ये ऐसे साइड. अब जो आपको नहीं चाहिए फेंक दो. एंगर, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, फियर्स, एंजाइटी. हाँ, थ्रो इट. हाँ 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 हाँ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. अभी साइड 1 ऐसा झटका देखे जाने को. और ये हिल अप. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. फिर थोड़ा 45 डिग्री नीचे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. और आज हम जो करने वाले हैं वो सब आसन बैठ के करेंगे. तो सिटिंग डाउन आप एकदम कंफर्टेबली नीचे बैठ जाइए. किसी को पीलो की जरूरत हो तो पीलो भी रख सकते हैं, मगर वैसे ही बैठ सकते हैं तो बैठ जाइएगा. और इम्पोर्टेंट लोअर बॉडी आसनास, बिकॉज हम लोग लोअर बॉडी को बहुत निग्लेक्ट करते हैं. इसीलिए अपर बॉडी तो काम करते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, सब कुछ अपर बॉडी का हमारा फंक्शन है। लोअर बॉडी को हम निग्लेक्ट करते हैं। तो लोअर बॉडी एक्सरसाइज मैं अपना ये एडजस्ट करती हूँ और ओके हाँ, पहले कैसे बैठेंगे? सीधा बैठेंगे। आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए तो वॉल का सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं, जरूरत नहीं है। फिर ये दोनों पांव साथ में रखिएगा, उसको आगे से पकड़ लीजिएगा। इसको तितली पोज, बटरफ्लाई। बटरफ्लाई, हैप्पी बटरफ्लाई कैसी होती है? स्माइलिंग, हैप्पी। सैड नहीं होती, सैड होगी तो कोई पकड़ लेगा। तो हैप्पी, flap your wings. This is very important आसन. It is also called भद्रासन, भद्र लोगों का आसन. It is called तितली आसन, बटरफ्लाई आसन. एंड ये आसन स्त्री और पुरुषों दोनों को बहुत ही फायदा कारक है, क्योंकि पीरियड के प्रॉब्लम, प्रोस्टेट प्रॉब्लम, यूरिनरी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड हिप फ्लेक्सर्स करते रहिएगा। ये हिप फ्लेक्सर्स यहाँ ओपन हो जाते हैं। इन्ग्वाइनल रीजन में बहुत से लिम्फ नोड्स होते हैं, वो ओपन करने के। तो एकदम स्पाइन ऐसे नहीं बैठने का है, ऐसे नहीं बैठने का, नहीं, ये रॉन्ग है, सीधा। इसलिए बॉल का सपोर्ट आप ले सकते हैं। इफ यू कैन नॉट सिट स्ट्रेट, और इसको आगे से पकड़ के keep on moving your legs up and down. Even if it is going only like this, that is okay. If you practice, it will open up completely. So keep on flapping. Shoulders relaxed. कहीं भी कोई तनाव नहीं. None of us are going for any Olympics. So please relax. It's a close-knit Virayatan family. We are here to have fun. So enjoy. This is Bhadrasan or Titli Asan, ya butterfly. So whenever you sit down, wherever you sit down, if you are in the house, I suggest do not keep any tables in your family room. Keep it on the side. हमेशा नीचे बैठो, बन सके तो। सोफे के ऊपर बैठने का ही नहीं. That is only for show if you want. Otherwise, ये 6 महीने में तो कोई नहीं आता है. So there is no need to keep big tables in center of the room. ये टेबल नहीं होने से फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी रहती है और ये सब कुछ हम कर सकते हैं. अभी दूसरा सिटिंग आसन as I am showing. If your knees are bad, don't worry. You can take pillow. Some people cannot sit like that. So it is only for some people. You can keep pillow like this between your heel and buttock. And you will be able to sit. There is no need for most, but some people may need. ये वज्रासन, जो heels on the adjacent to the hips. Vajrasan. ये Vajrasan is most important asana for abdominal bloating, gas. Every single time you have your meal, and if you are home, get into this posture. 15 to 20% of vayu, जो gas यहाँ बनती है, वो निकल जाएगी. And if you continue this, eventually you will not suffer from flatulence problem. Normal is there 10 to 30 times, but lot of people have lots of flatulence and with bad smell. This is the posture. Vajrasan, spine straight. देखो ये आसन इतना important है. I don't even have to tell anybody to sit straight because you cannot sit like this. Automatically your spine is straight. So this is, and then ऐसा बैठते हैं. चलो टीवी देखते हैं तो ऐसा बैठ जाओ खाने के बाद. और don't waste your time with upper body. यहाँ बहुत से थाइस के बड़े बड़े फैट मसल्स, उनको भी एड्रेस करना है. एवरीबडी लाइक्स टू बी पेड अटेंशन टू. हमें भी कोई अटेंशन दे, बच्चों को भी, एनिमल्स को भी. तो ये हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स है. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट एड्रेसिंग देम, लविंग देम एंड नॉट निग्लेक्टिंग देम. सो ये तो एकदम इजी है. मुंह खुला, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स. इतना करने से ही मुझे तो स्वेटिंग हो रहा है. तो इफ योर एनर्जी इज सर्कुलेटिंग वेल, यू विल हैव स्वेट. Don't worry if you don't sweat. You will. So keep doing. Keep doing. और इससे क्या होता है, आपकी पुल डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग एंकल मेरिडियन. यहाँ 6 मेरिडियन से ऐसे एंकल रखने से वो सब स्ट्रेच हो गई. तो वी आर एड्रेसिंग 6 different distant organs in the body by sitting like this. Each and every meridian, we don't have to go and address. We do something far away and it is happily addressed. So, ऐसे keep on doing. जितना strength है आप में, you can hit hard. Keep on doing and exhale. कोई आसन ऐसा नहीं है कि 50 आसन एक दिन कर दिए. There is no need. You will not get single benefit out of it. People who have gone to BKS Iyengar class for 20 years. My friend was there and she's still there. It took 20 years to learn Surya Namaskar. Not that she is not capable, but that much attention they take. कोई भी वस्तु करो understanding के साथ, and this important asana, good. Only thing, ladies, during their period, don't sit like this. It may have excess bleeding. Otherwise, if you don't have any other issue, even during those days, you can do gently sitting like this, but not for too long. Otherwise, this asana you can do anytime. Very good after dinner and lunch. कितने समय करो? हमेशा करो. 10, 5, 15, आधा घंटा नीचे बैठ के ऐसा ही बैठने का. So knee will be having lubrication, your gas will be disappearing, and you will reduce your thigh size, bulky thighs will be gone. Now third asana, we are going to see on knees and hands on kidneys, hands on kidneys, hands on kidneys. यहाँ पर kidney. And you can be on your toes or you can be making your ankle stretch. और ये आसन फिर क्या करने का, पूरा दिन हम क्या करते, कंप्यूटर, सेल, कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, कुछ भी करते, immediately we become like this. So ये posture किडनी के ऊपर है, काउंटर पॉज, और ये सब पूरे इंटेस्टाइन्स यहाँ से खुल जाएंगे. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, यूट्रस, ओवरीज, प्रोस्टेट, all the organs, all the nerves and front meridians are being stretched. Or during this time where we all need more lung capacity, oxygen, so pura chest, shoulders opening, and if you need support, you can put your toes up. But I like to do this way. What anybody needs, they can put their toes up. Mukhula, mukhula. You can be in this posture for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can repeat back. Your palms on your kidneys. Look up at the ceiling and support your back and open up the front from thyroid, parathyroid, down all the way to your perineum. And also look at the ceiling, open your mouth and eyes, stick out your tongue. Ah. This is lion's pose. You don't need facial beautician classes or something. Just keep on doing this. Then slowly come normal. ये 2 से 3 5 बार कर सकते हैं. मगर I have to look at the time and keep going. Then we are going to do this for people who are not able to go too far. Don't do. You just stay here. Otherwise, you can simply take your hand here and hand here. ऐसे यहाँ पर, यहाँ. And I'm just showing you like this. So, take sideways. एक पूरा आर्म ऐसे ही सीधा ही ले सकते हैं पीछे, सीधा ही ले सकते हैं पीछे. This is very good asana. You open up everything in front, and this has more benefits than doing this. But if some people cannot do, the earlier asana is good for them. And press your heels. Press your palms on your heels. And if you want more stretch, stretch front and put your palm on your heel. Stretch up and down and back. And all the ankle meridians are opening up and your toes are really getting good massage. Front meridians are open, chest, lungs, heart open, intestines stretched. Coming back. You can come back like this and like that. So you can do this asana also 2 to 3 times. Now, what we are going to do is very important asana, and that is sit like this only. And if you need, you can take a pillow and keep it. I don't need, so I'm not keeping it. But that is good to keep some small pillow or something like that always close by. Some gadgets for yoga classes. So here, this is a very good asana. Stick out your, this is still I'm sitting in Vajrasana. Stick out, palms up to the ceiling. Raise, 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 raise. Elbow straight. Take both palms touching your shoulder blades. This is very, very good asana because it opens up your armpits. It opens up all the lymphatic channels and your shoulder joints. Generally, we do this and this with shoulder, but while combing, we comb like this. Other than that, we never do this. So this is very good asana. You can learn to sit like this 3 to 5 minutes. And those 5 minutes, if you are doing this asana, you are addressing entire body, upper body, lower body, Vajrasana, intestines, meridian channels, your joints, right now, your knees, your ankles, elbows, shoulders. How many joints are at work? Exhale out. Move, say, exhale out. Smile. And don't hold tightness in shoulder. एक trick है, first get into the posture, 2 slowly relax into the posture, 3 add the breathing pattern. जबकि जब भी कुछ बड़ा होता है, स्ट्रेच होता है, तो इनहेल, जब सिकुड़ता है तो एक्सहेल. That is called incorporating breath with yoga. But don't worry if you cannot do. First learn the asana. Then slowly come out. This is very good for rotator cuff injury. Partial tears at the rotator cuff. जो shoulder का painful situations होती है, incomplete और complete tears होते हैं, उसमें ये आसन very good आसन. And also it improves your upper arm 1, 2 and 3 and 4, all the joints of upper arms. At the same time lower body working, front opening, armpits opening, so many lymph nodes. And people with rib fractures or some people with lung problem, it opens up, so lung capacity. Some people, in case if they had surgery on lungs or breast, so after that breast surgery or removal of lung mass or lung nodule, the tightness in the chest or breast opens up. Again, the similar thing. And come back. Now, the most important, very relaxing, and really the important pose, Yogasana, is child's pose. Lots of time people don't know whether to put this pose, asana, at the end or in the middle. You can do both. Ye asana is going towards Mother Earth. It is also in Vajrasana. And extending, your hips and heels are touching. It's not like this. So, यहाँ पर अपना सर और आंख, forehead जमीन से लगा देने का, और arms extend. Don't lift up your hips. Hips are kissing your heels. मुंह खुला. Eyes are pressing your chest. Muh khula. Shoulders relax. If shoulders got tight, relax. Relax your shoulders. Your ankles are stretched. You be in this pose and you are going to get benefits of entire body in all the organ massage and the stretching of the meridians in upper arms. At the same time, you are close to Mother Earth. So whatever you don't want to keep, give it to Mother Earth. Like your sorrows, your fears, your anxieties, your blood pressure, or whatever negativity, you are close to your Mother Earth. Just relax. Exhale और elbow जितना extend हो सके उतना करो. Don't keep it like this. Extend. फिर ऊपर आ सकते हैं. Then we can again repeat the same asana, and now we get some hold of the asana. So second or third, fourth time we do, we are really happily going towards Mother Earth. Muh khula, shoulders relaxed, hips to the heels, spine stretched. Slowly come up. कोई बच्चे लोग ऐसे ही सो जाते हैं, छोटे बच्चे. That's why this is named child's pose. वेरी कंफर्टिंग, वेरी सूदिंग। एंड ये कोरोना के टाइम में तो डॉक्टर्स ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि lie on your stomach. Generally, it is not good to sleep like that, but they say it is increasing the oxygenation of the lungs. So these are good asanas to practice during this time. And otherwise also, child's pose is always the best pose. कभी भी tiredness होने से, you will be refreshed if you get into this pose. And you will learn the flexibility, your heels to your hips, belly really pressed against your thighs, slowly, 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 slowly. This is one of the asana for rotator cuff as well, because rotator cuff में हमारी shoulder movement कम हो जाती है. So slowly, how do we train our shoulder to get back into shape? मुंह खुला. ऐसे हम ये कर सकते हैं. फिर दूसरा एक आसन जो यही पोस्चर में करने का है, वो है, इसमें हम आगे की ओर झुकेंगे मगर सर जमीन के ऊपर नहीं. हम जाएंगे ऐसे मगर नॉट टचिंग द फ्लोर. Just staying like this. Look at in front of whatever the distance you have. Any object in front. Don't put your head down. Keep your head up. And breathe. All the intestines are getting massage. Internal organs are getting good oxygen supply. मुंह खुला, belly pressed, knees flat, hips to the heels, shoulders relaxed. फिर आहिस्ता से ऊपर आ जाइएगा. Now make fist like this, thumb out or in doesn't matter, but thumb out. I generally do this way. And belly button, locate your belly button, put your one inch on either side. belly button की बाजू में अपनी मुष्टि रख दीजिएगा. ये आसन और अगले दो आसन हमने किए वो डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स के लिए भी है, क्योंकि हमारा पेनक्रियास जो इधर होता है जिसमें इंसुलिन बनता है ग्लूकोज डाइजेशन के लिए, वो कॉम्प्रेस होता है. वी कैन नॉट स्क्वीज पेनक्रियास एनी अदर वे. एंड सो दिस इज वेरी गुड आसना. दिस इज मंडूकासन. एंड क्या करने का, इनहेल करके हम आगे की ओर झुकेंगे और ये मुष्टि 1 इंच बेली बटन की आजू बाजू है. शोल्डर्स पुल्ड बैक, रिलैक्स, गोइंग डाउन, गोइंग डाउन, गोइंग डाउन, गोइंग डाउन, लुकिंग इन फ्रंट. शायद पेट में थोड़ा दर्द होगा इफ यू आर प्रेसिंग विथ योर मुष्टि, बट दिस इज द वे टू एड्रेस योर पेनक्रियास, massage your internal organs and take care of your all the intra-abdominal structures. मुंह खुला, आगे की ओर दृष्टि. Hips to the heels, spine and shoulders completely relaxed. These all asanas open up the disc space. हमारे दो vertebrae, स्पाइन के जो मन के बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रे, उनके बीच जो गद्दी होती है, ये गद्दी की जगह इससे बढ़ती है. स्लोली कम अप. People get rid of their mild diabetes with this posture. If you practice on daily basis, these are good postures for diabetes. 3 बार, 4 बार, 5 बार कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. The technique, मुष्टि दोनों साइड बेली बटन की 1 इंच, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स, हिप्स टू द हील्स, हिप्स टू द हील्स. और आगे की ओर झुकना, सामने देखना मगर मुंडी जमीन पर नहीं. और नीचे 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 नीचे, मुंह खुला। Slowly coming back. Can do 3 times, 5 times, 2 to 3 minutes each. Now, legs straight. Legs straight. Spine straight. Or, very important, that pick up your arms, lift it up, going down. यहाँ नहीं हो सकता है, don't worry. If you are here, it is okay. If you are here, it is okay. If you are here, it is okay. If you are here, great. If you are here, very, very good. This is the place you want to reach. यहाँ तक होता है तो some more yogasana needed, because that means lot of gas, lot of meridian blockages, lot of internal organs crying for help. So, जितना हो सके, once again, keep your knees, don't pick up your knees. Our aim is not to touch our head here right now. Knees completely straight. और ये toes अपने मुंह की ओर, and then pick up, touch. Wherever you can, touch, 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 touch. This is toe touch here, toe touch on straight leg. And then, if you are here, don't worry. You can use rubber bands also to increase flexibility. You can use the towel. So you can really go further down. And otherwise, you stay there. And we will do. If you are not able to reach it, practice this every day 10 to 20 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. और एक दिन क्या होगा, आपका सर जो है यहाँ टच कर देगा, नॉट लाइक दिस, ये फ्लैट ही रहेगा. यू टच तो ये पूरा पूरा पश्चिम उत्तानासन, इट इज, ये पीछे का भाग खुल जाएगा. योर sciatica, your back of the legs, all the arteries, veins and meridians. This asana very good for longevity. क्यों कि ये किडनी मेरिडियन ओपन हो जाती है जो बैक ऑफ द नीज है, तो वाटर अप फिनोमिनन होती है, तो हमारा सर ठंडा रहता है और यहाँ जो हीट है वो नीचे की ओर जाती है जठराग्नि में, और क्या होता है, सर ठंडा रहता है तो स्ट्रोक, likelihood of stroke is less, percentage decrease. And when there is no stroke, in Chinese medicine, it is called that we live longer. I don't know, but I am sure I have seen my parents and my many relatives, they just get into this kind of posture so easily because they didn't have 200 machines or some aerobics or wild jumping. They were like simple people, and they were like, my mom always did that, even after 10, 11 children. They never had big bellies. They were always doing these postures. So these are for long life. These are for kidney meridians. These are for improvement of spine health. These are for your belly. Many benefits. So this is toe touch on straight legs. Now एक leg in, close to the body, एक out, out completely. और क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर, we want to hold this and 1. So क्या होता है कि पूरा साइड, रिब्स की स्पेस खुल जाती है, लंग्स खुल जाता है, आर्म्स खुल जाते हैं, और 1. और ये कमरा होने से कमरी बन जाता है. ये बड़ा बड़ा जो फैट थिंकिंग होता है और ये बड़े फैट लंपी फैट और ये बड़ी कमर हो जाती है, वो इससे पूरा, और यहाँ पर intestines get squeezed, so constipation problem is relieved. So but ये उठाने का नहीं है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. फिर ऐसे ही रहना, पूरा स्ट्रेच. You will feel it behind your leg and opposite side of the body. और ये लेग तो फ्रंट है, इसको उठाने का नहीं है, इसको फ्लैट ही रखने का. मुंह खुला. Exhale. Don't hold tension in your shoulder. Even if you cannot reach there, if you are here, that is fine. Don't worry. Make sure you don't lift this. Otherwise, it defies the purpose. Back. दूसरी सीधा, और ये दूर नहीं रखने का, ये पास में, जितना पास में हो सके उतना. Sit straight. Sit straight. और पकड़ो, यहाँ यहाँ यहाँ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Exhale out. Shoulders relax. If you lost your smile, pick it up, put it back. And then if you can touch your elbows on the ground, that's fine. If not, that's okay too. Feel the stretch, back of your thigh. Stretch here. Slowly coming back, up, up. दोनों leg stretching. फिर ये right hand up and behind, left hand going to right toes. 1. Opposite arm, opposite leg. और उस समय दूसरा हाथ पीछे की गर्दन अप बैक की ओर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. तो क्या होता है, एक पूरा like journey, complete massage of back, front, side, intestines, liver, spleen, stomach, pancreas, पूरा. And this flexibility now from back side, stretching. I hope you can see me. Am I seeing me? Okay. Now this one arm in the back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So इससे पूरा ग्रॉइन ओपन हो जाता है. ये जब ओपन होता है तो intestines very happy, because our hips, intestines and shoulders, they are cousins, 3 of them. ये टाइट और ये टाइट, बुरा हाल. तो किसी एक को एड्रेस करने से दूसरे 2 स्टार्ट इंप्रूविंग. एंड जब आयुर्वेदा से जितना वायु होता है उतना आर्थराइटिस होता है. तो सब जॉइंट पेन स्टार्ट्स विथ प्रॉब्लम विथ गैस. और गुजराती में एक कहावत है, जेनु पेट बगड़્યું એનું पेट बिगड़ा उसका सब बिगड़ा. तो ये पेट को बराबर रखना है. तो ये सब एक्सरसाइज दे एड्रेस इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स, our belly button, or 72,000 nadis are near our belly button. So all the things which are, we consider brain is so important, heart is so important. This is also very, very important. All the nadis are here. और ये belly button, child is connected, fetus is connected through that with mother. It's very important. गुजराती में पिचोटी बोलते हैं, पिचोटी, ये जो खिस जाती है, ये कुछ बैलेंस नहीं होने से ये खिस जाता है सब कुछ. तो very important that we address these issues, and there are many more lower body exercises. So दूसरी lower body exercise is simple. You are sitting in your living room, family room, एक खाली टिक 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 करने का, दोनों एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हो तो एक के बाद and keep spine straight. And you can make some sound. और ऐसा भी बोलते हैं बड़े योगा मास्टर, talk gibberish, not rubbish, gibberish. बच्चे लोग जो gibberish बोलते हैं ऐसा, because that activates our brain in a better way. So कुछ भी बोलने का, just which should not make any sense, and it should not be dirty language as well. So just keep on bouncing your knees. और फिर क्या कर सकते हैं, ऐसे बैठ गए तो sit like this. This is very good posture. ऐसा नहीं बैठना है, doesn't matter. Keep one leg flexed. Sit like this. This automatically will keep your spine straight. Try it like this. You will not be able to. Straight. Straight. ऐसे फिर एक पाँव इधर and spine automatically straight. बैठने की आदत, नीचे बैठने की आदत, best time. You may be the world's richest person. Put the sofa someplace, table someplace. Keep one room empty. मेरे ये घर में 3-4 रूम completely empty है और tables basement में. We don't need to keep tables. और एक आसन, दूसरा भी पूरा ओपन हो जाता है ये सब, और ये नी completely down. Sit straight. कुछ पढ़ना होने से, कुछ लिखना होने, you don't need any other support. This is real good support. You can sit and write, read. ये पूरा stretch होता है. Bursitis, iliotibial band. ये कभी-कभी as we get older, it aches and pains, and that is aging process. Or too much of workout, like I walked one time in 3 days, 80 miles, and I injured it, and I suffered. But these are the ways to get rid of that pain. Iliotibial band. Sit straight. फिर इसमें एक वेरिएशन भी कर सकते हैं. ऐसे बैठे हैं तो अपना हाथ पीछे की ओर, ना ये हाथ इधर रखा, नजदीक में, एल्बो, ऑपोजिट एल्बो, एंड लुक टू द बैक. सीधे पांव, एक knee bent, and as close to the opposite hip, outside of opposite hip, opposite elbow, and twist, upper body twist, look behind, pura twisting, turning, in and out, breath. I hope you all are enjoying and doing great job, because I cannot see any one of you. At least I am enjoying.
You are doing amazing, Harshaben. Thank you for this.
Thank
And
you.
I just wanted you to know that if you do it every day in the morning, I promise you I will do it every single day. I look forward to Tuesdays. I just wanted to thank you for your beautiful smile, for your every explanation that you do. It just really helps us to kind of stay focused and feel that this is worth it. And if you help it, then we are there. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Sanmitra ji. I love you. I love Ma and all of you. Thank you for giving me this chance. And I am very, very happy to share what little I know. So,
And we see your glow and it inspires us that maybe someday if we keep with you, maybe we will have the same. Thank you.
If you move your energy, you will have different Abha Mandal. And that I never apply makeup. I have never done any makeup in life. But I know how to change my Abha Mandal by doing this type of thing. So everybody can do it.
Amazing. Just want you to know that at least everybody is enjoying this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. So this is how you take care of your lower body. There are many, many more, which we will address some other time. But today, we want to do few minutes of meditation. And in this, today, I am going to tell meditation with focus on spine. Why? We are living in the world where we slouch whole day computer, whole day cell phone, whole day iPad, whole day some ladies cooking, or some men also these days cooking. Sorry, I don't want to insult men. And so we are in an abnormal posture. So simply sit. You can dim your light wherever you are. I want to keep the light on so that you can see me, but I'll turn it off as instructions are over. With ऐसे सीधे बैठिए, सुखासन में बैठिए, कुर्सी के ऊपर भी बैठ सकते, क्योंकि people are working, not sitting down on the ground like this. But you can take the chair, sit on the chair, and immediately when you sit, how you are sitting? See, generally we sit like this. This is the posture. And chin should not be there. Chin should not be here. Somewhere there. So why our brain gets very tired, though we haven't done any physical workout? Why? People who are working at the desk, why do they say, oh, I'm so tired? Why? Because brain has overworked, not with the information overload, but the spine, which is very important conduit of चैनल एनर्जी की है, वो ट्विस्टेड हो गई, क्योंकि स्पाइन वाटर गार्डन होस पानी देते हैं गार्डन में, तो पहले वो ट्विस्टेड पाइप को सीधा करते हैं, फिर पानी स्प्रिंकल करते हैं. वैसे हमारे स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट करने के लिए बैठो, चेक करो कैसे बैठे हो, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स्ड, एंड out of 7 chakras in spine, 7 chakras, 5 important chakras are in spine, and 2, one is here which is away from spine, and lower one is away from spine. Except that 5 out of 7, 5 are completely in spine. They are our energy centers. They address our meridian channels. They address our distribution of energy to all the organs. So if we keep this channel straight, energy flow will be smooth instead of twisted and contours making flow difficult. No. So this is the spine meditation. Very important, because spine, it is connected with physical body, and spine, Sahasradwar, connected with higher powers. and the lower Muladhara connected with Mother Earth. So ये दो चक्रा outside, higher realms इधर है और physical ये इधर है स्पाइन में. तो उसका जो यूनियन है वो कैसे हम कर सकते हैं? We are going to sit in a fashion. So now, close your eyes. Wherever you are sitting, on chair or on ground, palms facing ceiling, shoulders relaxed. एक छोटी सी मुस्कान और फिर just imagine a bright beam of light. If you like gold color, if you like silver color, imagine that pillar of light entering from your Muladhara, first chakra, perineal chakra, and travel करते करते सब चक्रों में से ऊपर जाते जाते सहस्त्र द्वार तक गई. फिर वहां से नीचे की ओर मेंटली इमेजिन ये आपके चक्रास are getting aligned. Beam of light going from your perineum, which is your first chakra, to second chakra, Swadhisthana, third chakra, solar plexus, fourth, heart chakra, fifth, your thyroid, parathyroid chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, very important chakra. Then forehead chakra, Agnya chakra, and Sahasradwar. वहां से that beam of light is traversing downward from crown chakra, जो सहस्त्रद्वार कहा जाता है, वहां से नीचे की ओर, नीचे की ओर, नीचे की ओर, going back to Muladhara. Keep on relaxing, visualizing your spine, and keep on making this beam of light ऊपर की ओर जा रही है, passing through all the chakras, और वहां से फिर नीचे की ओर आ रही है. शांति से आप कोई भी काम करें तब check your posture even for 2 minutes like this, and that will be spinal alignment. So outer realm with inner. This is the meditation. Meditation in our daily life. It should be part of it. It should not be like doing something that later on in life we will do. Incorporate like small time frames of meditation. Gentle smile and आहिस्ता से अपनी आंखें खोलिए and rub your palm. वार्म एनर्जी जनरेट कीजिए और वो आपकी एनर्जी है. और वी आर ऑल हीलर्स. हमारे पास हीलिंग पावर है, तो हम सब अपने को हील करेंगे. जहां भी पेन है वहां आप ले जा सकते हैं अपने वार्म हैंड्स. कहीं पेन नहीं होने से अच्छी बात है, तो यू मे हैव tingling to massage your beautiful face. Erase of all the wrinkles if you think you have. Make your warm hands caress your skin, your hair, your neck, your chest, arms. Yes, straighten out legs, kidney.
Thank you.
और फिर क्या करेंगे हम? Everybody did great job. And so you should be thankful to your own body. And we are going to end the class by clapping 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Great job. एंड क्लास हम वहीं पर खत्म करेंगे। पूज्य आचार्य श्री को वंदन करते हुए और साध्वी गण और ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजर, जय भाई, एवरीबॉडी एंड ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, सबको जय जिनेन्द्र एंड माँ को मत्थे मंडामी, समित्रा जी मत्थे मंडामी।
Thank you, Harshaben.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harshaben. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Sarla.
Wow, wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Sarla Ben, I love you. I love everybody, Virayat and family.
I miss you so much.
Come here.
No. આવી જઈશું તો.
Yes, yes, yes. Question.